Hi everyone and welcome to my WebQuest. I will be beginning with the teachers page, and as you can see here I have a brief summary of what my WebQuest was about. It talked about what students um, were expected to do, and along with that it also provides the content standards. So if I scroll down here you guys can see the content standards. In addition to that, I have my introduction, my welcome page. And in my welcome page, I welcome my third grade students because this lesson is for third grade students. And one of the content standards that I really focused on was a science content standard, which is 3B, which says students know examples of diverse life forms in different environments such as oceans, deserts, tundra, forests, grasslands, and wetlands. I provided my contact information here along with my picture, my email, and then I started with the introduction. I gave a little scenario to students about joining me in an adventure to learn about different environments. I asked a question to tap into their background knowledge, such as what environment do you think best describes your classroom? And when I talk about this, I'm trying to have students connect with their background knowledge and things that they are visible in the classroom. So say we have a lot of plants in one area of the classroom, then they can um, make a connection by saying that this is similar to the forest or the grasslands because it's green. So that's what I use this question for. In addition to this, I went, here's a task section where this describes what students will do in a brief summary. It tells them that they will be researching 6 different environments. They will print out a worksheet. They will create a commercial and finally present this information using a Google Doc presentation form. So I also attached their worksheet that they'll have to use when they are researching. In the process, I have 3 sections for this. I have the steps that students will take in addition to the roles that they will play. They will be working in 4 groups, and I provided them with different resources such as um, links where students can go, and these are kid friendly, so they're not too difficult for them and they're appropriate for their grade level. And each environment has 3 different links that students will look into and will answer the worksheet along with this. I also created how-to videos so that students are able to create their account to have the access to make a commercial. And I also created a video, the video that we actually made, so that they have an idea of what it would look like, in addition to a how-to video to create your Google Doc presentation. So that students can work on this. Say we go to a lab, they can work on it on their computer because they have access to collaborate together because they'll be using the Google Doc presentation on Google. Also, for the evaluation, I have a rubric here that they can look at so that they know what is expected and how they will be graded. So with the originality, the content, the mechanics, oral presentation, and the attractiveness of their final project. And in conclusion, I'm congratulating the students for completing their tasks by creating their final project. And in addition to this, I also added a link here at the bottom where students can access different games that have to do with the environment. So this concludes my WebQuest. Hope you guys liked it. It took some work.